guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Google Earth. So today's video about Google Earth. So if you are a basic learner, this video is perfect for you. But if you know also Google Earth something, I think it is boring for you, you can skip this video. But if you are a basic learner, so it is very helpful video for you. So what is Google Earth? Google Earth is the mini planet for making you by Google. You can use it and check everything in the world like Italy, Spain, Portugal, Germany. If you stay in United States, then you can see it in world any place. Like if you stay in India, then you can see world all the places. So Google Earth. So first of all, we need to open Google Earth. So okay. You have a question. I know that how you will got Google Earth, right? So you need to go on Play Store. So search on your mobile Play Store. Okay, I found it. Google Play Store. Okay, when you come Google Play Store, then you can see many suggested app like Pico. You can see it. You can directly talk to many. Okay, this video is not about Bigo, but I say something you what is Bigo. Bigo, Snapchat, and also many other apps on there, Star Maker. Okay, I just download this app. When I come back, then I see this app. Okay, so when you come in Google Play Store, then you can search anything on there. So we need to Google Earth. So we search here Google Earth. On this place we write Google Earth. Okay, so if you directly write Google Earth, then you can see something like this. Okay, so I already down install it. Now I just click open. Wow, the Google Earth make you for a mini planet like Google. You can show it all the world like Africa, Middle Asia, Middle East, and the East Asia, South Asia, and the China, Russia, and my love country Canada. Okay, you can show it. Wow, that's good. You can play with it. Okay, so now we introduce all the feature on Google Earth. So you can see some bottom in some bottom and the some line in the top, right? There is three liner, and also have a search bar, also have a zoom icon, also have a this. Okay, so I found that on the three liner, and you can find some icon search, Quora, project, map style, photos, create post, share. So create post mean you can you can take a picture, okay, and you can also share it on your any kind of person. So I need to see in Toronto, okay. So I go to Toronto and search on it, Toronto. Okay, I did Toronto. There was a hotel available on this area. I know. Is it this Sanijak area? I zoom it a little. A hood and area. People live on there. You can see it. Wow, it's not a little area. It's very big. Wow, wow, wow. I think the military and nuclear scientists are stay on there. Wow, it's good. It's amazing. The internet connection is slow, and I think I go there. It takes some time. Wow, yeah, there have a airport. I think this is a domestical airport, not international. But it is not seen clear. Wow. So two places people live in this area. Iglooike is a deep. Wow, this is the island. Wow, but it is developing. Okay, there are also people live in this area. Not this, some islands and people. Wow, my God. Cyber River also people live there. I just, I just do not believe this. People also there in the place. Oh my God. People live on there. Geese Fjord. And I think there is only way for communication is aeroplane. Wow. But the airport is think closed. So this way you can find and use Google Earth on your own destination, like your dream country and anything. Google will help you for this. Like I found, I need to see in Germany, so I just type there in Germany. Just a moment. uh, it takes some time, but not very short time. Okay.